Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel.
These cookies are packed with chocolate in every bite, crispy on the edges and fudgy from the center. Let's make double chocolate chip cookies from the USA. Start by melting butter, whisk in brown sugar, granulated sugar and vanilla extract. Combine yogurt and coffee powder. Then sieve flour, cocoa powder and baking soda. Chop a whole bar of good quality dark chocolate and mix just until combined. Scoop the dough on silicone mat and bake. Your double chocolate chip cookies are ready. These crispy and nutty Middle Eastern cookies are 2-in-1. One side sesame and other side pistachios, made without refined sugar, baking powder or baking soda. Start by combining flour and ghee until mixture binds just like this. Then combine water and honey along with desi khan and pour it over flour mix. Now knead until everything comes together. Dough should be very soft. Refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Then in some toasted sesame, add honey and water to coat one side of the cookie. Now portion the dough, press it on chopped pistachios first and then on sesame. Then bake and get ready to take in. For episode 3 of my series Desserts Without Borders, let's make 5-ingredient ladies' kisses from Italy, also called baci di dama. It tastes 100 on 10. Start by grinding hazelnuts, then combine flour, powdered sugar, salt and unsalted butter to make a dough. Roll the dough and freeze for 20 minutes. Cut into equal portions, roll into small balls and bake for 15 to 20 minutes until slightly brown. Lastly, sandwich 2 cookies with dark chocolate to get the most incredible cookie.
You have to try this.
Years ago, this biscuit was developed in bakeries of Hyderabad and since then it has become integral part of the locals. I am talking about the legendary Osmania biscuits which are made with very basic ingredients and taste fantastic. Start by creaming butter, ghee and sugar with your fingers until fluffy. Then sieve flour, milk powder and salt. Add cardamom powder and make a smooth dough with your hands. To get that unique texture on top, mix milk and custard powder and pour it over the biscuits. Then bake and enjoy these classic biscuits with tea. For episode 7 of series Desserts Without Borders, let's make 6-ingredient Greek almond crescent cookies, also called kourabiedes. Combine all-purpose flour, almond meal, powdered sugar, unsalted butter, vanilla extract and a pinch of salt to make a soft dough. Divide it in equal portions, give a crescent shape keeping thick from center and tapered from edges. Chill it in the fridge for 30 minutes and bake until slightly brown. Coat with icing sugar generously to enjoy melt in your mouth almond cookies. If you open a cookie jar, take 1 naan khatai out of it, pour yourself a steaming cup of tea, break the crispiest naan khatai, dip it in your tea, then you will enjoy Lahore's most famous melt-in-mouth Khalifa naan khatai. To make that, freeze ghee for 10 minutes, whisk it, add sugar, elaichi powder and whisk again until fluffy. Then combine flour, ground flour, baking powder and baking soda. Coarsely chop some almonds, add them to the mixture and make a soft dough. Now roughly shape the cookies, brush with custard slurry and bake. Trust me, you have to try. Can't believe I have never shared a biscotti recipe on my page before. Honestly, I have no idea why. But today, I am making up for it and sharing the most crunchy, flavorful and absolutely irresistible pistachio and cranberry biscotti which you can enjoy with a hot cup of coffee. You will get the full recipe in caption. Now shape it as shown and bake for approx 20 minutes. Then cut into half-inch slices and bake again for 15 minutes on each sides until it turns golden brown. You have to try this.
तो आप इस रेसिपी को जरूर ट्राई कीजिए एंड इफ यू डू शेयर पिक्चर्स विद मी ऑन इंस्टाग्राम एंड टैग बोल्ड बेकिंग नेशन. I'll see you next time. Till then, bake bold and live sweet.